Right, coming in now is a northern service to Southport, the 15:38 departure, led by 156424, with another 156 at the rear. 156459 with 156424 at the front. So hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from the Tucker Videos, and today I'm at Dewsbury, which is on the North Transpennine route. So today here at Dewsbury we'll be seeing services primarily from Transpennine Express, but we'll also be seeing some services from Northern trains, like this one here, which originated at Leeds. The train in the first clip of the video was 185107, which was the 1531 Transpennine Express service to Hull, which originated from Manchester Piccadilly. Like we were meant to get an earlier train. Like we had planned on getting here 1511, which was a Huddersfield to another one, like an earlier service. Like I think we did want to get the start 14:55 with Middlesbrough service, but that was delayed due to a train fault in the Manchester area, and then skipped here. Like also now we've got a passing service from Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle. That unit 185146. That's passing through to Newcastle, and those 156s down there heading to Southport, originating Leeds. So, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started here at Dewsbury. Enjoy all. Right, passing through there is 185111, and that's on a passing service from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. Right, coming in now is the delayed 1543 Northern service to Leeds. Here it is, the service that originated at Leeds. Coming in here onto platform 1. Forms of a 150-2, the unit is 150206. (150-2) more luxury than a 150-1, and that in itself is more luxury than a Pacer. Right, departing out now is 15206, which is on a northern service to Leeds, the delayed 1543 departure, departing about 9 minutes late. Right, coming in now is the 1552 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Piccadilly, which will be calling at Huddersfield, Mossley, Staley Bridge and Manchester Piccadilly, with the units 185123. This service originated from Hull. And is a 1552 departure. (185-123) to Manchester Piccadilly. Right now departing 185123 for Manchester Piccadilly. the delayed 15:52 departure. Meanwhile, also coming in, we've got the 15:55 TrainSpot Express service to Middlesbrough. Okay, next time to come in is the 15:55 TrainSpot Express service to Middlesbrough from Manchester Airport. So, on its approach. See it on my sort of left on my right. Right, see it to my left. Without you trying to budge over my corner.
What?
Without you trying to budge over my shot.
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's go. Okay, I can now see it now. Here it is. This unit on the Middlesbrough service is 185 121. Right, departing now is just 15:55 to Middlesbrough, about a couple of minutes late. One 185 121. Right, passing through is 185 131 with a good 3 time. That is a 1600 pass from Newcastle to Manchester Airport. Right, coming in now about like 4 minutes early is a 1611 TrainSpennine Express service to Leeds. Formed of 185 145. Right, coming in now is 17457. A ScotRail delivery to Northern unit on hire to TrainSpennine Express for the 1610 TrainSpennine Express service to Huddersfield. A service originating from Leeds, heading in there on platform 2. Right, departing now is 17457 with the 1610 TrainSpennine Express service to Huddersfield. Right, passing through now is the TrainSpennine Express service to Scarborough, originating Liverpool Lime Street. The unit is 185 142. That's passing through to Scarborough, originating Liverpool Lime Street. Soon we'll have it pass the other way, originating Scarborough, heading for Liverpool Lime Street. As well as this 185 departing out, which has already been waiting for about 5 minutes after its scheduled departure time, waiting for that delayed Scarborough pass to pass through, which was about 9 minutes late passing through anyway, so we'll see what happens next. Right, departing out is 185 145 heading to Leeds. The delayed 1611 departure. Yeah, departing out about 5.5 minutes late while waiting for the Scarborough service to pass through.
This is due to a late running fast.
Right, passing through there is a service from Scarborough to Liverpool Lime Street. The 16:15 pass a couple minutes late.
6 hours ago.
Right, coming in now is a 1631 TransPennine Express service to Hull, which will be calling at Howden additionally today because of a cancelled train earlier. As expected, it's a Class 185 unit. We've seen quite a lot of them today. It's here's 185 118 on this service. 185 118 heading to Hull. Right, departing out now is the 1631 to Hull. 185 118. Meanwhile, the 1629 service to Manchester Airport from Middlesbrough delayed by about 6 minutes. So 1629 has expected departure of 1635. Right, coming in now is the 1629 delayed service to Manchester Airport, originating Middlesbrough. Forms of 185 143. 185 143 to Manchester Airport, delayed by about 6 minutes. Like 5-6 minutes it will be late departing out. Right, departing now, 1629 delayed service to Manchester Airport. 5 minutes late, which is formed of 185 143.
Manchester Victoria, Manchester Airport.
Yeah, that's right.
Correct.
Can you tell me what time does it arrive at Manchester Airport? Go on, what's the other look?
17:36.
Yeah. There you go. Because nowadays what it also called now opened, now all the Liverpool line street.
Right, passing through now, a TransPennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Newcastle. It is 185 134. 185 134 heading to Newcastle from Liverpool Lime Street. Right, coming in now is the delayed 1638 Northern service to Southport, which is formed of 150 206. 150 206 coming back around. Because we saw this about an hour ago, heading to Leeds. Now it's coming back, heading to Southport. 150 206. Right, departing out about 6 late is a 1638 Northern service to Southport, formed of 150 206.
It's quite a long route though,
Yeah, it's about two and a half hours this route, I think.
Yeah.
And it's only two carriages.
Yeah, 2 carriages for that long route. It's like going from Norwich to Liverpool in sort of this condition. But I think actually then, if we had an extra unit from Manchester Victoria, that might be much more similar to what we have with Norwich to Liverpool, and then get an extra unit at Nottingham. That could be much
Like even if it's another 153, like had a 153 or 156 onto that in Manchester, like then that would be better. Like two carriages part of the way, add up to another unit for 3 or 4 carriages the rest of the way. Right, arriving in now is the 1644 service to Leeds, originating Southport.
150 204.
150 204 on this service. Soon we'll have a passing service that'll be from Newcastle to Liverpool Lime Street. So not coming just yet, but it will be around in a moment, the pass. Right, making its escape from Dewsbury is 150-204, which is on the 1644 Northern service to Leeds, originating at Southport.
Batley, Morley and Leeds. That's it.
Good. Batley, Morley and Leeds, as Kevin said, the remaining stops on this service. And passing through is a Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Line Street, which is formed of 185, 152, originating Newcastle. Like couple more services for me before I head back to Manchester and then Newport. So we'll see them as they come around. Right, coming in now is the 1652 service to Manchester Piccadilly, formed of 185, 140. Which originated from Hull.
When the 18th party president and one. Wait, Rick, you're doing first, you're doing Manchester president.
Right, departing out now is the final train of this video, which is the 1654 to Middlesbrough. And this service is where we say goodbye to TrainSpot East and John as well, not for his surname, but this is where I would say goodbye to them both. 185, 104 on this service to Middlesbrough. So as this one departs, I'm going to end my video from Dewsbury here. If you have liked what you've seen here at Dewsbury, then please do like and subscribe. Please leave any comments below because I'll get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are welcome, so please do leave them in the comments. Dewsbury has been a great station to film at today. Seen lots of class 185 units and a couple of 150-2s as well. But both station itself and like reviews, because reviews down here are absolutely stunning. So and it, while it's still overcast a bit and there's been a little bit of rain. There has been a lot less rain than what we've seen at Stalybridge and Huddersfield, and a lot less heavy as well, which kind of does improve the atmosphere here too. And also we saw that ScotRail 170 Livery's Northern unit subleased to Transpennine Express, so that's all interesting as well. Yeah, flag reviews are absolutely stunning, and the station looks really good too. So that is what makes bonus marks for me here at Dewsbury compared to both Huddersfield and Stalybridge. Like at Huddersfield, we did get to see like the new junior pest controller there, like with Kit and Bolt, which is good. Although the senior pest controller Felix was asleep for the duration of our time there. So, and we didn't want to wake her up. So, but it was good to see Bolt there at the ticket office while we were there. So that's always interesting. I'm not quite sure what my next station will be, but please do check out my channel. Please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell, So you are kept up to date with when any new video of mine becomes live, is live on this channel. So you can check it out once it's been released. Like there is a passing service coming through any moment now. It's a pass from Newcastle to Manchester Airport, so I'll probably catch that one passing through. Otherwise, yeah, that's probably going to be the final clip. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video from Dewsbury. See you all at whatever my next station is. Please do click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be kept up to date. Cheerio! Right, passing through there, 185, 103, with the 1700 pass from Newcastle to Manchester Airport. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.